Yeah. Sing back 90s, still your mates back. Killer and beanie, Shabba and red rat. But you like your world friend, you know one cell black.
Dog said don't sing 90s boys until it's a Killer and beanie, Shabba and woo.
Beanie and Ellie are the biggest pirate. Every song them thief remix and remake. If you know Taliban's we no fight no feature.
Well, I'm a general because in a kid sang a while ago and dog I say, yo, you go see some Beanie Man and some Elephant Man first.
Reaction.
What's the word to Mr. Boy Terry Vlogs, aka the reaction blast? People, I told you next time you see me, the dress gonna be back. You see me? You see me, I say? Females are going there. Pum pum wet up yet. Anyways, so the song people, the song called Yaadman Badness. I think I did drop. You see me, I said like a couple of days ago, like 3 or 4 days ago. I didn't react to it. Never listened to it yet for real. You see me? Because me I say the dog just come out and know so the dog just jump in and the dog them clash. You see me I say? But we see next year also a woman run out from St. Kitts. Them call what your dog name? What on there? What your dog name? The dog name Rodney Tattat. Rodney Tattat run out. And this what the dog, this TeeJay dog, this kid or the dog, this black rhino. You see me I say? Everything upon film cover art. You see me I say upon him cover art the film song. And him song named Graveyard. You see me I say, so they say it's a grave Jamaica. I mean I have to run out people, mate. I have to run out. But I don't have been attacked. You see me? I told the place where I react to music from. Obviously I'm from Jamaica. You see me I say? And then I'm react to St. Kitts music also. So big up everybody in the comment section come from St. Kitts and there for that song there. I big up everybody there for Jamaica and there for that song, yeah. And now we're going to play two of them. And we're going to say, ooh, water. You see me I say, when I say kid obviously they will reply to Rodney. You feel me? Because I know so Rodney go jump out and this him. But guess what? I go see what go on now man. Say kiddo go reply as at the place, kiddo. See clash you got shit there? Yeah, see it down kiddo. Your man told you going back and forth and because say TeeJay and Byron stop. Say you told you go and run it out. No. You told you go and go somewhere run it out, man. You did me I said. I say, see what go on. You know, kiddo and man say, well, Jamaica, not to say kiddo. Jamaicans see me I say, you know, say, yo. I go up on kiddo page and I go say, yo, oh, kiddo not really have much followers, you know, kid out like 1K subs. But guess what? Music, at the end of the day, dog, music will take off. You see me and say, alright, now see dog get some views a kid out. I mean, and so dog, I'm going to see what I go and say, we have to kid out song. Yaadman Badness. Don't you see we come from Jamaica now? You know what I got to say, yeah, man. Look like I just wake up because I just wake up, take off the do-rag, everything look sexy for the girl left. Dead. Run tune!
Yo, TeeJay.
TeeJay.
No, you are no boy can't DJ.
Hold on!
Yeah, man, better me murder him.
Yeah.
2 we have 1 hit.
Yeah.
Fair and square.
Yeah, 2 of them have 1 hit. You see me, I say, well, hold on there. The man TeeJay say, no, you want about what I can't do what? Can't DJ, man.
You can't this Yaadman, you here nor there, see?
Yeah.
Boy, Taliban different from sumo wrestler.
Yeah.
Charge up my gun and pull up in a Tesla.
Yeah.
Yaadman Badness, no boy.
Tesla, you pull up with that. Them right here, no engine, my general. No engine, silent killer, you pull up on them in a Tesla. What if you run a bomb buckler charge? I'm sorry if you're the dog. You want to get 200 miles when you charge up a Tesla. Go on!
No test that, set spot, where you this tell you get a headshot.
Yeah.
See, 90s badness a riff that.
Yeah.
You sing back 90s, still your mates back.
What?
Killer and beanie, Shabba and red rat. But you like your world friend, you know one cell black.
Dog said don't sing 90s boys until it's a Killer and beanie, Shabba and woo.
Your mates back, Killer and beanie, Shabba and red rat. But you like your world friend, you know one cell black.
Dog said but you like your friend now and said black with the boom vibe.
You buy in a run, you fi member. Not sure where you're from or your gender.
What?
Run it down with my gun till it's slender. Murder the pigs and a swine for December. Squeeze up your shotty with a temper till it's slender. Murder the pigs and a swine for December. Squeeze up your shotty with a temper. The index finger feel tender.
Yeah.
Couple teeth and my gun never denture. For flinging I'm got in a
Yeah,
descent.
the cover. I didn't even look at the cover art. The dog have a Byron not to the bag overhead on the road. And that way I see right there, so. Right. But this, I wish about this. One thing when I know the place, I mean, I wish about. Go on!
When the 15 ton and them run up all them done. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Can't catch boy a road mark so God them dumb. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Should I make your ghost as you make your post and I chat a fuckery? Like say you get a dose of the white as you get a roast. All you having you with tell you know, say you never close. Say coffee there you make a toast.
Hold on, coffee? Hold on there.
Which chart at happy?
Right now, but there's which chart at happy most? Hold on, me I listen to dog. Oh, I think you say him have the #1 song. Byron say a film song and the one song in like 5 years. But the dog talk about dancehall. We don't say coffee get one of the artists and them for real. But I reggae that. You hear me I say? Not even one artist, she had the artist song, which is Toast. You see me I say with the most views in bro, I thought somebody get some more views from Jamaica. You see me I say.
Skilly bang wap and make it happy boss. You listen Jeff and go copy flow. But go to a diva kid.
It's a Jeff and go copy flow. That's a Skilly bang wap. You have a bigger song than Taliban. That him a say in the lyrics, you know. You hear me I say, go on.
If I never feel your size, you're not really big. Can't tell your meds and feel wicked. Know you wish at Jamaica, you did really live. Pussy spit pan boy, we no care which boy. From your this or this track. Yaadman badness, we no friend fish boy. Shoot and no miss boy. Alright then. When the 15 ton and them run up all them done. Yeah, like get dark like one night now come. Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them grown. Daylight get dark like one night now come. When the 15 ton and them night now. Daylight get dark like one night now come.
Alright. Kiddo. Yeah, badness. Me a Yaad. I want the blood Peter go on. I just wake up and know some you know, two of my consistent dog, you see me I say. I go drop it, but hold on them. Right now someone with Rodney thumbnail. Him this black right now. I want to see if Black Rhino drop a song. Why my Black Rhino up on a gravestone? You see me I say? Like why? My Black Rhino up on a gravestone in a film thumbnail. 6 days ago, Black Rhino corrupt. 6 days ago, the clash that go on 6 days ago? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Black Rhino. Corrupt. What song I go on with? I go on Black Rhino page. Let's see what I go on. The clash that go on 6 days ago anyways. 3 months. Corrupt. Oh, yeah, man, that nothing to do with the clash. Nothing to do with the clash. Why this Black Rhino in general? I must something Black Rhino say on the internet because I don't know. Never pre that party. Anyways, right now people were there with Kiddo from St. Kitts. You see me I say, dog this TeeJay. He dog this Kiddo. Oh, I'm there with Kiddo. I'm there with Rodney Tattat. You see me saying called Graveyard. Kiddo this official audio. I could listen to what go on right now. Dog have an AK-47 with the St. Kitts flags on it. You see me I say, and my grave Yaad. You see me I say, the Jamaica flags in a yard. Blood clad dog in a cemetery. Oh gosh, she's telling me about bad. I'm not like me. I'm telling you the cover art bad. I could listen to the song right now. I made what I say about Yaad and them 3 man from Yaad. Run tune. Alright then. Blood clot.
Bada Yaad, bada brad. No.
First of all, the rhythm. Trouble. Bada Yaad, no bada brad.
No warning, we no storm. You have to run when the rifle turn on. Watching every funny place in a graveyard. When them say big dog a water, the little puppy Kyodi keep on when you nice and set the layers upon your forehead or you done, no the glock them.
Well, this song obviously is a direct this to Kyodi, you know. You see me, so Kyodi never know them man I go jump out and diss him back, you know. Or diss him, you know. You see me? So the man I come up with things for chat about. You see me? So that's a one Kyodi for reply now when dog. You see me? I say, call the man a little puppy dog, little Kyodi puppy dog. Rascal.
Kyodi keep on when you nice so you go. Set the layers upon your forehead or you done, no the glock them chip out. Eyeball pick out. Get kick out. Forensic see the shell them a free recount. Close casket when SK man step out. Every shot up on your
casket when SK man step out. Man, so basically man I go shut you up. You can't even recognize the man gonna say you. Rascal.
Them a free recount. Close casket when SK man step out. Every shot up connect. Don't look for no rebound. You a look strength from happy feet. But in our mind, yo, me make you one left yard like Black Rhino. Me got some links in a foreign ready for carbine, yo.
Black Rhino left yard too? Come here, but I know I go black and I know why. Black and name the pan the block tattoo stone like so now. I don't know why. But the dog say look hype off a happy feet. Because I not like that. Guess when I see Kyodi drop all them song, I feel say. But they know say I Yaad na dog. I want to sit now go because step out again. With the music, me I drop something to the fuck you talking about. Me I drop something too. I say anybody needs to get it. That's all look hype off a TeeJay.
I mind you. Me make you one left Yaad like Black Rhino.
What?
Me got some links in a foreign ready for carbine you.
What?
Put you in a shallow grave where them can't find you.
What?
I say run dance all that what they blind to.
I say it's run dance all. That him say. I know me say so. I'm curious to the rest of the tune.
One shot in a face, any man make a step. You are going like so you never thief nothing yet. Beanie and Ellie are the biggest pirate. Every song them thief, remix and remake. If you know Taliban's we no frighten you feature.
Well, I'm a general because in a Kyodi song a while ago and dog I say, yo, you go see some Beanie Man and some Elephant Man first. You see me I say, a man like Bumbuckler, Buju and them and like dancer from in the prison. And we tell you that in a Kyodi song in the dog. Remember tell you the song is the obvious to respond to Kyodi song in the book. Remember I say Kyodi have to go drop something to this a song first. And that's what I'm there right now. To start up this. You hear me? Because I want to clash in the dance song, I know what Bumbuckler, Byron and TeeJay are going with in the dog. Jano Star. Ready tune?
You know my style, we kill and collect. Foot hype stop play music, I'm out in select. Every day like girl, on the internet. Grand Prix desk, you have to live in a regret. Collada forward and then flop, you forget. When them say big.
Who forward? Who what?
Grand Prix desk, you have to live in a regret. Collada forward and then flop, you forget. When them say big dog, I want tell you little puppy, cause you.
What color have to do with it? You see me know I go on a Bumbuckler to the
Oh, the keep out when you nice, that's how you go on. Set the layers upon your forehead that you done, now the Glock them chip out. Eyeball pick out, teeth get kick out. Forensic see the shell them a free recount. Close casket when SK man step out. Every shot I connect, don't look for no rebound. Me mother than Bellevue, not even hospital so sick. No.
I say mother than Bellevue, not even hospital so sick. Mad people them got the blood clot at Jamaica. You see what I'm thinking now, dog? Yeah, I say graveyard, but you talk about some things that yeah, like say you love Yaad in general. You love Yaad. God!
Tom face me in the box, no give no kick. AKs with extra clip. Shaney run in, I guess this song no hit flop. Jeff
Hold on, who?
AKs with extra clip. Shaney run in, I guess this song no hit flop.
So Shaney drop a song to in a clash that says Shaney run in, I guess this song no hit flop. My blood. That your song just dropped like 20 hours ago still in but guess what? You're gonna big artist where you get like what 6,000 views, I got 7,000 views already. And you think I'll get more views right now because you're Shambasa it right now, so that means I'm obviously my seat and the fans are push it out there. You see me? That's some want the clash to go and say, Kiddo, reply to the dog and make it dance all nice again. You see me? I say so we can get another artist outside in Rodney Tattat. Big up yourself again, Tattat. Go on!
Jeff fully out or you not fire nothing. Can't pull up, you kick down the pot of curry mutton. Skull cap bust half easy like shot button. Gunshot, let you stunt bend up in a double. Yo, feel you bad. We with flap you like fully bag. Rifle sing melodies like Gully God. If you violate and live you is a lucky lad. Shock, them a bad.
Big up Gully God,
they really want know what go on.
Yeah.
If I clash the dead before man. Any one of them saying kids a run dance hall.
We don't know about that part, that big man meds dog. We don't know about that part, the dog. You see me, I say, if I say that dog, people are gonna laugh after you, dog. Come on, dog. Me nah say we don't have a whole part dance or artists over the dog, but come on, I'm a general. You know me react to music from everywhere. You see me, I say, me not bias them way there, dog. But dog, come on. Well, if I say that to the dog, you have to feel him singing on a clash. I say, you see me, I say, you have to say them thing then. But come on, my general. Come on, be logical, my general. So it's not running dance all that. But run the rest of the tune still. Song back.
Dead before man, any one of them saying kids a run
Dance all.
When them say big dog a want tell the little puppy Kyodi keep out. When you nice that's how you go on. Set the layers upon your forehead that you done, now the Glock them chip out. Eyeball pick out, teeth get kick out. Forensic see the shell them a free recount. Close casket when SK man
step out.
Every shot I connect, don't look for no rebound. Bad we bad. Think I alone bad?
Yeah. Hey, I saw me like when the Bumbuckler and them done. When the clash go on and them and them talk at the end of the song them dog. Every time when they for no reason I do a reaction for the dog. When the song them done, I go straight towards the end for hear what the dog have to talk about at the end of the song them dog. You see me I say, why am I saying that?
Think I alone bad?
Yeah.
Fall back. And I go with some dark shit and pad.
Blood clot.
This saying kids, you're mad.
You must be mad.
Tat tat.
Alright then. And a bad song. Yeah, man. Now, people, we have a job right now. So I want to run up that video when we just a while ago. My reaction video, I want to run it up. I want to go over Kiddo Bumbuckler song and go spam that song in the comment section. You see me, I say, I want to spam in my comments. If you watch the video to that part in my video, I want to drop war in the comments. WAR. War. Confuse the crowd. They must say why everybody a comment war. You see me, I say, if you watch the full video, just comment war in the comment section. You see me, I say, but they must say, what do Bumbuckler go on? So now for watch the full video. Like the way so video recommends to more people and so it can grow and expand. You see me, right now we are closing on 20k subs. I want to hit 20,000 subscribers before the end of October. So October 31st, people, we're supposed to be at 20,000 subscribers. Can we do it? I know we can do it. Reaction bar signing out here, man. You see what I'm going with that song here. We see what I'm going with that one. Round 2, you see what I say? With 2 different artists. We don't care if them big or them small. Wipe on the big and the small. We don't care if them a big artist or them a small artist. You see me, I say a clash of music at the end of the day. You see me, I say that. Never really do nothing anyways in the music called Kiddo. I mean, the time when last we had a song from Kiddo, but Kiddo have a whole heap of hit song back. You see me, I say. You just come out and away, jumping at the clash. Right now, Rodney, you see me, I say from saying kids. You know me react to music from all different Caribbean islands already. But you see me, I say first I hear about Rodney Tattat say for the clash mode, no about the boss. See me, you see me. Russian boss there and I want to know what shop grade over here so the people. Number one, and guess what? I get by the dress them now in them, man. Oh gosh, we start them back now in them and say no, say trouble foot feet. Russian boss side up. Gone. Peace.